How to automatically transcribe selected subtitle lines. First, go to Video tab and click on Open Video File and select your video. Then go to File and select Open Keep Video, and open your subtitle. Now click on a subtitle and hold down the Shift key and click on another subtitle to select some of them. Then right-click on one of them and go to Selected Lines, Audio, and select Audio to text Vosk Kaldi. In the opened window, in the Choose Model section, you can see a list of installed models. I installed 3 models before, but for you, it is probably empty. To install a model, click on this 3 dots button and depending on your needs select the language and model that you need. English medium size is a good model for transcribing English videos. And then click on Download button. But because I already have this model, I just click Cancel. After model is downloaded, in drop-down, select it and make sure to check Use Post-Processing checkbox for better results, and click on Generate button. You can see that Subtitle Edit did a very good job in transcribing selected lines, but if you want, you can adjust some duration or merge some lines. At last, press Ctrl+S to save the file. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.